A warm welcome, dear students. We are here to give my first take on the IR questions that were asked for Civil Services 2025 mains. Yes, so this year the old pattern of UPSC asking 4 questions from IR continued. There were 2 questions which were 10 markers and 2 questions which were 15 markers. However, the aberration this year around was that no bilateral relation was asked and also no neighborly relations were asked. Though it is not a norm that the neighborhood ties should be asked, but generally we do expect that at least one neighborhood relation or maybe regional organization or something of that sort would be covered. However, the kind of questions that were asked, let us look into the questions themselves. So, the first question, which was a 10 marker, was on India and Africa relations. Now, India-Africa relations has been twice asked previously over this span of 10 years. Since 2013, that the pattern underwent a change, you find that over these many years, twice they have asked questions on India-Africa. So, once again, the African theme was repeated. Maybe it was Prime Minister's visit to the global south that could have, and also the growing talks about that the 4th India-Africa Forum Summit should in fact be held sometime soon. Second question that we can think of is the question on globalization, the vanning of globalization and reclaiming of the spaces by sovereign nation states. So, basically the question on deglobalization or economic fragmentation. Now, this question was very much on the line because there has been a lot of discussion, especially with Trump getting elected as the president of US, on the trend of deglobalization. In fact, the mains 365 material of Vision IS, the very first topic that we cover under it is of economic fragmentation, of deglobalization, of rise of mini-laterals. Yes, so that was a question on the expected line and I hope you have done well. The next question was about energy security. Yes, it was a 15 marker question. Energy security, once again a recurrent theme, a lot of discussion going on with especially the penalty tariffs that have been imposed by the Trump administration on India for purchase of Russian subsidized oil. So, yes, energy security, and previously also vis-a-vis the secondary sanctions that US imposed on Iran, it was India succumbing to those sanctions against Iran and Venezuela both for that matter, and reducing our oil imports from those 2 countries to zero. But this time around we see substantive increase in Indian oil imports from Russia despite US sanctions. Yes, and then the whole narrative and discourse between India and US over the said subject. The last question that was asked was vis-a-vis UNSC reforms. Very much once again an expected question on expected lines, because at least I was telling in my classes that relevance of UN is under a lot of question mark. So, we were talking about a question maybe on relevance of UN, and what can reinstall the relevance of UN is UNSC reforms, UNSC being the nucleus of UN. Yes, so that also was a question on the expected lines. I hope, though bilateral questions as such were not, bilateral relations as such were not asked, but you would have been able to delve into these questions with the required knowledge that you would have acquired during the process of preparation. So, my take on this paper would be these questions were doable, were on the doable lines, where the UPSC would be looking into maybe certain facts, what percentage of oil imports from Russia, yes, how it has increased, what was prior to sanctions on Russia, what is now, yes, all these ideas, certain percentages vis-a-vis Iran maybe, yes, giving your answers a depth through examples vis-a-vis the UNSC reform. Yes, P2 versus P3 debates, that was precisely asked. Fine. So my take is that they were doable. I hope you were able to put your knowledge on paper and solve the questions to the best of your ability. On that note, thank you.